Alright guys, welcome back. I haven't been uploading in a while for my channel, and so you've come to the right place to blow stuff up. And that's what we're gonna do today. Let's get into the video.
Yeah!
So first, we're gonna smash this high-tech gaming PC.
Smash it, brother!
Why don't you hit it with your guitar to see if it works?
I think it works. Yeah. Yeah, see, that's good condition.
See?
That's high quality technology right there.
Okay, let's go blow it up. Now,
if I was your
we're saving the
boyfriend,
camera.
never let you go. If I was your boyfriend, I'd never...
Okay, guys, let's go.
See this computer? Garbage. You know what we do to garbage things? We light it up.
Light it up, big boy. Oh, it's cold. Y'all can't see it's snowing.
Where's the lighter? You gotta use this.
Come on, survive.
Dang it, this is a disaster. Already.
Let's look around.
Stop filming.
Let me make sure that...
It's been filming.
Are you focusing it?
Yeah.
Don't work?
No, it's... Stop.
Not
Chill.
Alright. Shut up. I'm gonna blow this computer up. You know why? Because it doesn't work. It's a piece of garbage.
We hate garbage.
So we're gonna burn it.
Oh no, it starts snowing.
That's okay. Go get your chance. Are you kidding me? It died on me.
I'm freezing.
I hate you. It died on me.
And it stopped snowing.
Why are you piece of shite?
We should have come out earlier. Put yourself on fire and then bring yourself here. Watch your head.
Did you not burn
If
yourself?
I was your boyfriend.
That's good.
Not close.
This is our bomb right here. Okay, stand behind it. Heads up. Don't try this at home, kids.
Now, kids, don't try this at home. Initiation sequence. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh, there's actually a bomb in there. Stand back, stand back, stand back.
I'm gonna need some. Scout the lighter. Holy.
Get it out.
Scout, it's burning the hay.
We're good, we're good.
See the world through whiskey glasses. Couch.
What the heck?
I'm gonna need some whiskey glasses.
Throw some more.
If I'm gonna
Be careful, be
make
careful,
it
be careful.
through.
Okay. No, B. I don't want you to mess with.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Chill out.
Yeah.
The paper, guys.
Now, kids, don't try this at home.
Guys, need snow. On fire.
I say right foot creep, ooh, I'm with that heater.
I'ma need a double shot. See the
Don't try
world
this at
through
home.
whiskey glasses.
The next thing we're gonna is this DVD player.
Now, kids, don't try this at home.
Now put some more gasoline on it, folks.
Oh yeah.
What you do, kids, is you do this and then put gasoline on it.
Dude, it's on the hay again. Oh, oops.
What's wrong with you?
Look. Look.
I don't think that's working.
Yo, come on. Clean it out.
I don't see you helping.
I'm filming this moment.
Right foot creeper.
Dude, it's not purple to put out.
Now put some more gasoline on it.
Yeah. Drink it out with
Tactical nuke incoming!
We needed that.
Now, kids, don't try this at home.
You got it on the hay again.
Stupid plastic.
What's that?
That's some carbon emissions, y'all.
How dare you?
If the fire department comes on.
There's a lot of smoke in here right now.
Oh wait, yeah, that is a lot of smoke.
This is how you burn the fire. Where a PS4.
That was my homework. I mean, point it at the sled. My gosh, it smells terrible. This is so bad for you. Dump it over. Yeah.
Bye.
Oh, wait. You want to hold the camera, Gavin?
Sure. Good work, Scout. As best as you can.
Oh my gosh.
All right,
So are you freezing, Gavin?
Whoa,